If you're over 60 and starting to feel your muscles fade, this message is for you. Many seniors think weakness, fatigue, and slower movement are just part of aging, but what if they're not? In fact, if you're struggling with leg cramps, shaky knees, or difficulty climbing stairs, there's a good chance your body is missing something simple but powerful. This isn't just about senior health, it's about aging muscles, mobility in seniors, and how to fight muscle loss naturally. And here's the surprising part. One of the most effective ways to start reversing this process could already be in your fridge. 2 eggs a day. That's it. This simple habit has the power to rebuild strength, support your balance, and even help prevent falls, all while fueling your body with the exact nutrients it needs to recover what time has slowly taken away. So if you're serious about senior fitness, muscle strength after 60, or just feeling steady again, stay with me. Because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what happens inside your body, week by week, during the 30 days of eating 2 eggs a day. You'll understand how this one change can bring back energy, confidence, and the strength you thought you'd lost for good. What 2 eggs a day can do for your body. When it comes to keeping your muscles strong after 60, most people focus on exercise. But the truth is, what you eat matters just as much, maybe even more. And eggs, they're like little muscle repair packages. Just 2 a day can quietly fuel your body in ways you might not expect. Each egg is packed with high-quality protein, and that's the #1 nutrient your muscles need to stay firm, functional, and full of life. Unlike many protein sources, eggs are easy to digest, which is especially helpful for older adults with slower digestion or smaller appetites. But eggs aren't just protein bombs. They're full of leucine, an amino acid that acts like a muscle switch. Think of leucine as a key that unlocks your body's ability to build new muscle and stop losing the muscle you already have, something critical after the age of 60. They also contain vitamin B12, which helps your nerves communicate with your muscles properly. That means better coordination, fewer stumbles, and more confidence when you move around, even on those wobbly mornings or when your legs feel unsure. Inside those yolks is vitamin D, which is often low in seniors and deeply connected to muscle strength. Vitamin D doesn't just protect your bones, it helps your muscles contract properly. Without it, lifting even light objects can feel strangely hard. And let's not forget choline, a brain-friendly nutrient in eggs that supports your memory and movement. As your brain and muscles talk to each other more clearly, simple tasks like rising from a chair or balancing while walking become smoother and safer. Now, you might be wondering, aren't eggs bad for cholesterol? Good question, and an old myth. For most seniors, eating 1 to 2 eggs per day doesn't raise heart disease risk. In fact, recent research shows eggs can be part of a heart-smart, muscle-building diet. Another advantage, eggs are affordable, easy to prepare, and super versatile. Scrambled, boiled, poached, however you like them, they're quick to make, gentle on your stomach, and perfect for busy mornings or light dinners. Plus, for people over 60, appetite often shrinks. That's where eggs shine. In just a few bites, you get a powerhouse of muscle-friendly nutrients without feeling too full or overwhelmed by a big plate of food. And when you pair eggs with a small portion of whole grain toast or avocado, you're creating a balanced, steady energy meal that supports not only your muscles, but your mood and focus too. That's real everyday strength from your kitchen. Starting your day with 2 eggs means you're not just eating. You're giving your muscles the building blocks they need to stay active, steady, and reliable, so you can do the things you love with more ease. So tomorrow morning, try it. Crack open 2 eggs, cook them your favorite way, and know you're not just having breakfast. You're taking a small but powerful step towards stronger legs, better balance, and a safer, more independent life. Your body in 30 days, week by week changes. Week 1, recharging and waking up your muscles. In the first 7 days, your body starts absorbing the nutrients it's been missing, especially high-quality protein, B12, vitamin D, and leucine. These act like fuel for your muscles and nervous system. You may feel a small boost in energy and a clearer head, especially in the mornings. Leg heaviness might begin to fade, and movements like getting up from a chair or walking across the room can start feeling a little easier. It's subtle, but it's your body waking up. This is when the process of rebuilding begins, quietly, deep inside your muscle tissue. Week 2, more stability, less fatigue. By the 2nd week, your muscles begin responding more clearly. Standing feels more stable. You may notice fewer leg cramps at night, and your energy lasts longer throughout the day. Tasks that felt draining, like getting dressed or standing while cooking, now feel more doable. The protein in the eggs is actively supporting stronger muscle fibers, while vitamin D and choline help your brain and muscles work better together. Many seniors also start sleeping better at this point, which speeds up muscle repair and recovery. Week 3, strength in motion. Now that changes become more visible. You may climb stairs with more ease, carry light items without stopping, and walk farther without feeling as tired. Your legs feel firmer and more responsive, and your balance improves with every step. Small movements that once felt shaky now feel smoother and safer. This is when confidence starts to return. You're not just moving, you're moving with purpose. Every egg you've eaten over the past weeks is now showing results in real daily situations. Week 4, a noticeable comeback. By the 4th week, everything starts to connect. Strength, energy, balance, and control. Your muscles hold their tone better. You walk with more stability. You feel steady when you stand and more confident doing things you used to avoid. Many seniors notice they feel stronger without trying. This isn't about gaining muscle like an athlete. It's about regaining function, freedom, and the comfort of trusting your own body again. After 30 days, 2 simple eggs a day have helped you build a new, stronger foundation. What to avoid so you don't sabotage your muscles. Even if you're eating 2 eggs a day, some habits can quietly cancel out your progress. And the tough part? Most people don't even realize they're doing it. Let's talk about the everyday mistakes that might be working against your muscles even when your heart is in the right place. First on the list, skipping meals, especially breakfast. Many older adults say they're just not hungry in the morning, but that first meal is your chance to feed your muscles after a long night. Skipping it sends your body into energy-saving mode, and that includes letting go of muscle. Another sneaky habit, not drinking enough water. Dehydration affects your muscles more than you think. Without enough fluids, your muscles don't contract well and your energy drops fast. If you're eating protein but not hydrating, your body can't use that fuel effectively. Let's talk sugar. Too much of it, especially in processed foods or sweet drinks, causes inflammation that wears down your muscles over time. You don't have to cut out all sweets, but try to balance them with protein and fiber to protect your strength. Some people rely too much on low-protein snacks like crackers, fruit-only bowls, or toast with jam. While those are easy and familiar, they don't feed your muscles. If there's no protein in the snack, your body might still feel full, but your muscles stay hungry. And then there's the classic trap, thinking you're too old to exercise. Moving less leads to more weakness, which leads to even less movement. It's a cycle. But even light movement, like walking or leg raises while seated, tells your body to hold on to muscle. Another mistake, long gaps without eating. Waiting 6 to 7 hours between meals makes it harder for your muscles to stay nourished. Try eating every 3 to 4 hours, even something small with protein, to keep your body in maintenance mode rather than breakdown mode. A surprising one, not enough sleep. Your muscles do their best repair work at night. If you're not sleeping well or staying up too late, your body misses out on recovery time, and you might feel weaker, even if your diet is on point. Let's not forget the role of stress. Chronic stress triggers cortisol, a hormone that, when too high, can break down muscle tissue over time. Deep breathing, gentle stretches, or short walks can help calm your system and protect your progress. Also, be careful with very low-calorie diets. Some seniors try to eat less to stay light, but end up under-eating the nutrients their muscles need. You don't have to eat big, just eat smart and give your body what it needs to stay strong. Sometimes people hear about protein and go overboard with supplements thinking more is better, but too much protein in powder form without balance can stress your kidneys or leave out key nutrients. Real food, like eggs, should always be your base. And finally, avoid the mindset of it's too late. That belief alone can undo your motivation. Your body is still capable. It still listens to what you do, what you eat, and how you move. It's never too late to protect your strength. So yes, 2 eggs a day help a lot, but your habits around them matter just as much. When you avoid these common traps, you're giving your muscles the best chance to grow, recover, and support your independence for years to come. Simple habits that help muscles recover faster. Strong muscles don't just come from what you eat, they come from what you do every day. The good news? You don't need intense workouts or complicated routines. Small, consistent habits can make a big difference, especially after 60. Let's start with one of the easiest, gentle walking. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day helps activate your leg muscles, improves circulation, and sends a clear message to your body. Keep the muscle. We're still using it. Bonus, it also lifts your mood. Another powerful habit is stretching in the morning. After a night of stillness, muscles can feel tight or stiff. A simple stretch routine, even while seated, can improve flexibility, reduce pain, and prepare your legs for movement with less risk of injury. Don't underestimate hydration. Muscles are over 70% water, and without enough of it, they don't function well. Try sipping water throughout the day, not just when you're thirsty. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber to make it more refreshing and inviting. Sleep is your body's reset button. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. That's when your body repairs tissues, balances hormones, and builds new muscle. A calm bedtime routine, like a warm shower or soft music, helps your system wind down. Try to spread protein intake throughout the day, not just at dinner. Your muscles can only absorb so much at once. Having eggs at breakfast, a protein-rich snack midday, and some lean meat or beans at dinner gives your body a steady stream of fuel. Resistance bands or light weights can be game changers. You don't need a gym, just 5 to 10 minutes of gentle resistance work, even seated, tells your body to rebuild muscle. And guess what? Even carrying groceries counts as resistance training. Take advantage of sunlight when you can. Just 10 to 20 minutes a day helps your body produce natural vitamin D, which supports stronger muscles and better balance. If you're indoors most of the time, talk to your doctor about supplementation. Mind-muscle connection matters more than people think. When you move, even just standing or sitting, try to stay aware of your posture and leg engagement. That mental focus helps improve strength and coordination, especially during recovery. Keep healthy snacks nearby. Having boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, or nuts ready makes it easier to choose muscle-friendly options when hunger strikes. That way, you avoid the sugar crash and keep your energy stable. Balance your meals with fiber and healthy fats. Avocados, olive oil, whole grains, and leafy greens support nutrient absorption and reduce inflammation. That means your muscles get what they need and your joints stay happier too. Stay connected. Believe it or not, social interaction helps muscle recovery. Whether it's a phone call, a walk with a friend, or a group class, staying engaged boosts your motivation, reduces stress, and keeps your body more active. Finally, celebrate the small wins. Did you walk a little farther today? Get up with less effort. Cook your eggs in a new way? These moments matter. They remind you that progress is happening, one egg, one step, one good habit at a time. Habit at a Now you know what 2 simple eggs can do, but the real change happens when you actually try it. Can you imagine waking up without that heavy feeling in your leg? Feeling steady when you walk? Climbing stairs without fear? That's not just possible, it's within your reach. But don't stop here. There's so much more to learn. More foods, more habits, more ways to bring your strength back and keep it. So if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe, because I'll be here with more easy, science-backed tips to help you feel strong, confident, and full of life, no matter your age.